how to deploy GitHub project on Vercel best method. So if you want to take a GitHub project live on the internet in just few clicks, in this video, I will show you the best and easiest method to deploy GitHub project on Vercel step by step. Even if you are a complete beginner, this tutorial will help you. Now, let's get started. First thing first, what you have to do is open your GitHub account. As you can see here, this is my GitHub account. I have some repositories as well. But if you haven't created any repositories, what you have to do is just simply click on this new button. Now from here, add the repository name over here, like X repository name. And then it will check your name repository will be created repository name. Now then you have to add a description over here. Now after that you have to set anyone on the internet can see repository. You can choose who can commit. Now if you want to choose private, you can choose this as well. Now if you want to add readme file, you can add that too. Now let's click on this create repository over here. Now after that you have to find this upload an existing file option. Now just simply click on it to upload a file. So you have to drag a file where you have written a code or written a program. Just simply add over here. And then after that, you have to commit all the changes and create repositories. Now let's get back to our main topic. Now let me go back to our home. So I have these some repositories. So what I'm going to do is just simply go into Vercel. Now click on this sign up button. Now it will ask your first deploy is just sign up away. I'll just add my simple information and to continue. You have to continue with the GitHub. So you don't need to connect again. So authorize Vercel. So I'm wait for a few seconds to redirection. Now, as you can see here, from here you can import the GitHub repository. Now just simply click on this install button to install the repositories. Now you have two options, like you can import all repositories or only select repositories. You can choose this one. Now from here select repository. Now from here you can choose your file which you have added. Now in this video I will just choose this one. Now click on this install. Now you have to enter your password over here and hit the confirm. So as you can see here, my app is imported. Now not imported but installed. As you can see, there is option of import. Just simply click on this import option. Now then you have to set up all of these things. Framework preset is Angular. Then now from the top project name, you can change the project name as well. Now let's deploy our project. Wait for a few seconds. It will start deploying. And so as you can see here, we have successfully deployed our project. You can see the preview. Now just simply click on this continue dashboard. So you can visit as well. Let's go. And as you can see, you can access this form. So whatever changes you make on your GitHub repositories, it will change exactly at the same time. So yeah, this is how you can deploy your project on Vercel. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.